Namaste yogis, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pritika and today we're going to make a video on lying down asanas for your well-being. Yes, so let's get started. For the first pose, of course it is lying down asana, so we're going to lie down. Just make yourself comfortable on the mat, find something comfy for yourself and just lie down. First asana we will be doing Natarajasana. Keep your arms by your side. Now take your right foot, keep it on your left knee. Slowly turn on and go towards your left side. You can also hold your left knee with your right knee with your left arm and look towards your right palm. Keep your shoulders in contact with the floor. Keep breathing. Take normal long deep breaths. We're going to hold each asana for 3 breaths. And slowly inhale, come back. Exhale, you may relax. Keep your arms by your side. Now let's take our left foot. Let's keep it on the right knee. And let's go towards your right side. Keep your shoulders in contact with your floor. You can also push your knee down with your right palm and look towards the left side. And look towards the left side. Hold the asana for 3 breaths. Inhale, take a long deep breath in and exhale. And whenever you're done with 3 long deep breaths, you may inhale and come back. Exhale, relax your body. For the second asana, we'll be doing Dandasana. Let me just adjust my mic. For Dandasana, you can fold both your knees. Keep your hands by your side. You can also touch your middle finger with your heels. Now inhale and take your both the buttocks above the ground, above the floor. Keep pushing your buttocks up to the floor, up from the floor. You can also roll your shoulders in and keep pushing your buttocks up. Hold the asana for 3 long deep breaths. Take your time. Try and just go with your breath. And exhale, come down. Now let's turn on to our right side and let's lie down on our stomach. We're gonna do our back strengthening asanas. Let's take both the hands in front of us. We'll do Superman pose. Or if you're doing, if you're a girl and you're doing, so you can say it's a Superwoman pose for you. Yeah, Superwoman pose for you. Let's take our hands in front. Now inhale, take both the arms, both the legs up. Keep breathing, take normal long deep breaths. At least 3 long deep breaths. Try and synchronize your body with your breath. Try and calm down your body with your breath. And slowly come down. Let's do the Shalabhasana. So for Shalabhasana you need to do Adi Mudra. That is touching your base of your little finger with your thumb and closing your fist. Now take your buttocks up. Keep your fist under your groin region. Now inhale and take both the legs up. Hold. Again hold the asana for a few breaths, at least 3 breaths. Keep breathing. Take a long deep breath in and exhale. Feel your glutes, feel your lower back. And as you exhale, let's come down. And you may take your hands off. Let's do the cobra pose. You can keep your palms near your chest. Inhale, take your body up, a little bit up. Navel 1 inch above the ground. Elbows tucked in, shoulders back and relaxed. You may look up and hold. Hold for 3 long deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. You can also do all the asanas with your eyes closed. And exhale. Let's go into the child's pose. Hold pose. Or you can do it like this also. You can keep your palms, you can keep your arms by your side. Just relax. Inhale, come up. Let's do 2 more poses. For that again, you can lie down. Just feel comfortable while you're doing this. Just let your body relax and let your body flow with your breath. Yes? Okay, so let's do the halasana. You can keep your arms by your side, by the side of your body. Inhale, take your feet up at 90 degrees and slowly take them back. Hold. See if you can touch your feet to the ground and hold the asana for 3 breaths. And slowly come back. Come back carefully. Again, take a long deep breath in and let's come down. Okay, so let's do the last asana, a counter pose. Let's do Matsyasana. So you may come in Padmasana. You can take your body up, head on the floor. Take your body up. Make an arch with your lower back. You can keep your palms on your thighs. Hold. Take long 3 deep breaths. Just feel comfortable in the pose. Take long 3 deep breaths. Let your body flow with your breath. Counter poses are very, very essential for your good body or any good posture. And slowly come back. Relax your body. You can turn onto your right side. Slowly get up. So these were some lying down asanas for you, for your well-being. You can actually feel good after doing all these lying down asanas. And I'm so glad that you guys are here watching this video. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions of any sort, you can just leave your questions down below. And thank you so much for being here. You can like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, namaste.